What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how you can block someone on Snapchat. If there is someone that you don't want to talk to, or they are making you feel bad or anything like that, just follow these exact steps and you will be able to block this person from your Snapchat permanently. You can do this easily, guys. This is a very quick video. Now all you have to do, guys, you want to just open your Snapchat, and after that, guys, you want to click in the top left. You want to click your profile picture in the top left. After that, guys, you want to click on this gear in the top right, this gear. Now after that, you just want to scroll down. Okay, keep scrolling and click on where it says support. Click I need help. And after, guys, you click on I need help, you want to click on where it says what can we help with. You just want to click it and then click how to block. Now just search for how to block a friend on Snapchat, and you will find here how to block a friend on Snapchat. Click on it, and here just read this. Okay, this is very important. Just read this, because if you are using Android or iPhone, this is different. So it says here, swipe the right to the chat screen and then tap and hold on the friend's name. Now now after you read this, guys, just go back. Okay, just want to go back, close Snapchat, and go open Snapchat again. Click messages at the very bottom left, and then let's say this person, let's say I want to block this person. Just press and hold, or tap and hold. Okay, press and hold, and a few different options will come up. Click on manage friendship and then click block, and you will be able to block this person permanently. So that's exactly guys how you can block someone on Snapchat. If this video helped you, please drop a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video.